Alright guys, I'm gonna show you how to get a sound pack. So go whenever sound pack you got. This one I just got. Hold on, let me go to it. No, it was this one over here. It was this one right here. Right here. That's the one I got from you that I downloaded and everything. So you want to close this. Go to where you downloaded it. Just say this, like that, Resident RPF and then Weapons Player RPF. And you want to go open your Steam right here, and then manage right here. Like you should have your Grand Theft Auto, and then you want to click this little circle, like all that stuff, and you want to go down to manage, browse local files, and then you want to go to x64 audio SFX, and then you want to grab these two right here. Like you gotta left click and hold it, and then it should turn this blue, and you want to drag it all the way over here. So replace the files in the destination. Click it. Alright, so you want to close out of all of that. You want to go to your FiveM. I might speed this up a little bit. Just waiting a little bit. Alright, and you want to. No, I'm going to use LS to do this, so. Might see restart. Let's do okay. Wait again. Not gonna lie, it's taking a little long. I might open some. Yeah. Connect. All that. If y'all want to join my Discord server, the link will be in the comments. So it'll be right here. Yeah. Yeah, it'll be this one. I'll have it like sound packs and everything. I got Fierce Fade. I got faces, stuff like that. Muzzle flash. I need Fierce Fade Tracer. But we got basically everything. SPs, FPS. Yeah, let's not do that.
Niggas know it.
This is from Yu-Yo, so credits to Yu-Yo. Got reshades. Buds. Got my blood mod that I personally used. If you want to look on my channel, it'll be there. Yeah, this is the one right here. Got ragdolls. This is my ragdoll. Other ragdolls stuff. Got that too right there. So that's my uh whatever you call it. It's Katy Perry right there. So turn it down a little bit. Turn it up a little bit. Maybe just a little bit more. I don't think my thing is loose though. Yeah. And if y'all want my graphics pack, my graphics pack will be in my server, so link is in the comments. Alright, like make sure to like and subscribe, cause I put my work and time into this, even though I got school in like 2 days. So hope y'all like it. It's just a little tutorial, and if y'all want the sound pack, I'll give y'all a sound pack into my Discord server, like always. So just waiting for this. Alright, so instantly spawned me over here. Let's see, you already heard it, so. Mess with the Glock 40 today, and I got the combat pistol. What's up, bro? Dang, so. This is what if y'all want to see more videos, like and subscribe. Yeah, I'm kind of bad. If you want to see more videos, damn. Videos, like and subscribe, notifications on. Yeah, have a good day today. For me, it's nighttime. For everybody who has the time, hope you have a good night or good day. I think I'm posting this at night too. Oh gosh, my blood mod. This is my blood mod. My YouTube channel will be in my Discord server, so hope you have a good day. So later.